you throw it to Mama? Throw it to Mama. Thank you. Catch. Oh, no remote. Throw it to Mama. Goofball, you got it on the floor. Throw it to Mommy. Where's the ball? Thomas. Thomas. Okay, sister's new pictures up. Can Mama see? Can Mama see the ball? What are you doing? Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Huh? Are you gonna sing? Say A, B, C, D, and you start dancing. Oh, leave the remote alone. You threw the ball on the floor again, Mr. Adams. Sit, 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 sit. Mama will get the ball. Whoops. Say catch. All the drool marks on my bed. And all you want